Jay here with Just Fix It Already Mobile Mechanic Services, and here we are with part 2 of the Visit Your Dealer message on this beautiful 2020 Toyota Corolla. So, had to wait a couple days to get the correct part from Amazon since I got the wrong part. I don't know how I mixed that up, but either way, pretty simple repair. Got the part switched out, bled the system, and of course we did not get the message to return. Perfect. Measured the resistance to confirm that we did have a bad part. As you can see, low resistance. The new part has the proper resistance. We are good to go. Customer is happy.